Today, let's dive into the KonMari method from the book The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up by Marie Kondo. Welcome back my YouTube channel, I'm Kenzo who lives in Tokyo. This book has captured the hearts of millions worldwide, and the Netflix series Tidying Up with Marie Kondo was a mega hit. But do you know why everyone is so obsessed with her method? It's because the KonMari method isn't just about cleaning. It's a life-changing practice. By letting go of unnecessary stuff, you can create a life surrounded by what truly sparks joy. But how exactly do you do it? Let me explain. This is not some spiritual talk. It's practical, research-backed method. Okay, what is KonMari method in one word? Let's find what truly matters to you. There are 3 steps. Visualize your ideal life. Judge based on what sparks joy. Discover your true passion. Let's break it down. First of all, visualize your ideal life. Have you ever wondered why your tidying efforts always fail? It's because you don't have a clear goal. We can only achieve what we can imagine. So, take the time to imagine your ideal life first. This is not just a vague idea. Make it specific, right? Look at Pinterest, Instagram, something spark you. For me, I'd love a hotel-like room, minimal, green, and relaxing. Then, close the gap between the vision and your reality through tidying up. Decide based on what sparks joy. Here is something important to understand before you start. Tidying has 2 phases: discarding, organizing. Focus only on discarding first. Don't do it both at the same time. And here is the key. Judge everything by one question. Does it spark joy? Why is this so important? Because if you rely on logic, excuse like, it was expensive, I have a memories, I might need it someday, you'll never let anything go. Instead, trust your intuition. When you touch something, ask yourself, does it spark joy? Discarding isn't about disrespecting your belongings. On the contrary, it's about proud of them. Thank them for their service, then let them go. Once you've discarded everything unnecessary, you'll notice that what remains is very little. And those items reflect your core values and passion. This practice isn't just about physical objects. It applies to life choices too. Do you really need that pride, that past accomplishment, or every single relationship? Ultimately, this book is not about discarding things. It's about deciding what to keep. It's about creating life that truly matters to you. So how was that? By tidying your space, you tidy your mind and life. It's a simple method, but it's cool, isn't it? The reason I wanted to share this is that it's connected to Japanese concepts like Zen and minimalism. When I created my first video, 7 Japanese habits, I wanted to share these ideas. But yeah, I think I had so much to say. Now I'm breaking it down step by step, and I hope you had fun. I'll keep sharing our insights, mindsets, and real life in Tokyo. It's been a month since I started the YouTube, and wow, it's harder than I thought. But yeah, let me keep updating. Tell me in the comments, what do you want to know about Japan? Let's understand each other better. That's my mission. See you later.